Correct, sir.
Okay, sir, we're going live now.
Yeah,
Please mute yourselves.
yeah. Just a minute.
Okay, we are live now, Shiraz?
Yes, sir.
Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Plastic World, a global packaging expo. Dear respected dignitaries, industry stalwarts, heads of industry associations, and our dear industry members, it's my pleasure to welcome our delegates, exhibitors, visitors who have joined from all over the world today to share their knowledge, interact with each other, connect with potential buyers, and enhance their business horizon. Plastic World, as you know, would have new product launches, provide entrepreneurs with the opportunity to grow their network and get noticed to fresh business clientele in India and overseas. Not just this, there are immense possibilities to learn from about new technologies and meet the experts visionary from all over the world. We wish all the business owners, brands, and plastic manufacturers should identify various opportunities at Plastic World and expand their business to different parts. It is the best way to meet people in your business and network with them. Before the beginning of our virtual event, we will have our auspicious and traditional lamp lighting virtual ceremony in order to seek blessings of the Almighty. I request everybody to virtually participate in the lamp lighting ceremony. Thank you.
गणपति गुम हवामहे ॐ प्रियाणान्त्वा प्रियपति गुम हवामहे निधीनान्त्वा निधिपति गुम हवामहे मम ॐ अहम जामि गर्भधमा तम जासि गर्भधम ॐ गणेशाय नमः ॐ गणेशाय नमः ॐ श्री गणानान्त्वा गणपति गुम हवामहे ॐ प्रियाणान्त्वा प्रियपति गुम हवामहे निधीनान्त्वा निधिपति गुम हवामहे वसो मम ॐ अहम जामि गर्भधमा तम जासि गर्भधम ॐ गणेशाय नमः ॐ गणेशाय नमः
Thank you, the dignitaries, for the virtual lamp lighting. I would now request our President, Shri Chandrakant Turakia, President IPMA, to give his welcome address.
Thank you, Deepak. A very good morning to all present. I am excited to have this opportunity to welcome you all on behalf of EPMA to our maiden virtual exhibition on Packaging Industry Plastic World 2021. We are grateful to our exhibitor and the thousands of buyers and visitors from across the globe Global to have showing their immense support and confidence in us and in the plastic world. I would also like to warmly welcome our guest of honor, Sri Kasinath Ji Jha, Joint Secretary, Minister of Chemical and Fertilizer, for taking out time and gracing this occasion with his presence. Welcome to the Plastic World 2021 virtual exhibition. I am also pleased to say that our special guest, Sri Rohit Wadhwani, First Secretary, High Commission of India, is also present with us. Sir, we are extremely happy to you with us today. Welcome to the Plastic World 2021 virtual exhibition. I welcome all our special invitees from various plastic associations across India. Mr. Ravi Jasnani, President, Maharashtra Plastic Association; Sri Shailesh Patel, President, Gujarat State Plastic Manufacturer Association; Mr. B. A. Nazir, President, Canara Plastic Manufacturer and Trader Association; Vijay Kumar, President, Karnataka State Plastic Association; DP Solanki, President, Indian Plastic Institute; Vimlesh Gupta, President, Andhra Plastic Association. I believe that we are working toward a common vision for the industry and hence stronger with each other support. I assure you that you will have a great time with a lot to learn and discover and apply the best in line of your business growth. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you, President AIPMA, for your welcome address. May I now request Sri Arvind Mehta, Chairman, Governing Council, AIPMA, to deliver his keynote address.
Sorry. Good morning, everybody, and it is a big pleasure to welcome you all, especially our Joint Secretary from our parent ministry, Sri Kasinath Jha Ji. Thanks for coming, and other dignitaries. So it is a very big day for AIPMA. I would call it, this is a COVID blessings. This is virtual meetings are COVID blessings from the this one pandemic. So we are making the use of it, and it is an extremely good platform. Should be proving for the sales of the goods rather. So the name suggests Plastic World is that virtual exhibition that is ready to connect participants globally. This is an extremely big point. With the exhibitors around 110 and 14,000 buyers across the world, I believe there won't be a better place where you get a chance of better interaction opportunities with target audience, connecting with potential buyers, improving the conversion rate, zero cost setup and running costs, unlimited opportunities to connect and share product knowledge, to name a few. The packaging segment in India is an amalgamation of both organized and unorganized players, ranging from very small players with limited presence to big players with large markets. Demand for this segment is anticipated to grow rapidly across all players. Here in pandemic, we have seen that there is a very big demand in packaging industry, in plastic packaging industry. We have witnessed that, and not we, but globally. Also, there is increasing focus on innovative and cost-effective packaging materials. Thus, the industry players are keeping a track with the changing trends in packaging and making efforts to capture the market with higher productivity, higher technology. This time around, AIPMA has brought unmatchable opportunities for the plastic packaging sector. According to Institute of Packaging, the packaging consumption in India has increased by 200% in the past decade, rising from 4.3 kg to 8.6 kg PPA. Whereas the packaging industry in India is fragmented in nature, owing to the several players competing to improve their market share. But it is now gradually getting organized. With the rising demand of packaging application, along with the technological advancement across the economy, It is thus significant for the industry owners to increase their market presence by expanding their business footprint across the globe. And this is what exactly we at Plastic World 21 are aimed to deliver. I believe that events like Plastic World have the capacity to bridge the technology gap, showcase the latest innovation in plastic packaging sector, new recycling technologies, and make people across the board aware about India's work in this sector. I am pleased to see many attendees, guests, exhibitors, visitors, buyers all across in one place. Plastic World provides a very unique opportunity for all of us. One more very important point is that we have the presence of even what you call vendors or buyers from government authorities also, as well as from the MNCs also, as well as the export house also. So that is a very big plus point for us, and we are highly obliged with them, and we see that there is a great potential and many what you call conversion of your product to the profit will be taking place. I am happy to really to be a part of this opening ceremony, and I wish all you a great success in future. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Sri Arvind Mehta ji, for your keynote address. You have very well set the entire context of Plastic World 21. Thank you, Arvind bhai, again. Now I would like to welcome our chairman, Plastic World 2021, Sri Ajay Desai. He has been the guiding force and the person mainly responsible for organizing this beautiful virtual show. So, hearty compliments to Ajay bhai. I would request now Ajay bhai to give his insight about Plastic World 21. Ajay bhai, you are on mute. Unmute, please.
Thank you, Deepak ji. A very good morning to all of us. We have great pleasure and honor to welcome Sri Kashinath ji, Joint Secretary DCPC, and all our distinguished guests, valuable exhibitors, visitors, and industry colleagues to this inaugural session of Plastic World 2021 Virtual Expo. We have been witnessing the world getting connected as a virtual office in these COVID times where brick and mortar have been taken over by the virtual world. Packaging is one of the fastest growing arms of the plastic industry and stands globally at US $700 billion. It has been growing much higher than the GDP of the most of the countries. The Indian packaging market was valued at US $50.5 billion in 2019, and it is expected to reach US $204.81 billion by 2025, registering a CAGR of 26.7% during the period of 2020 to 2025. I can confidently state that it is one of the strongest growing sectors in India. Packaging is emerging as the most powerful and fastest growing sector in the plastic industry, consuming almost 50% of the total polymer consumed. This segment is likely to witness higher growth in the coming times with the lifestyle changes in the society. While this offers large opportunities of growth for the industry, it would be requiring facilitation in terms of R&D and innovation. The idea of organizing the Global Plastic Packaging Expo has been continuously being discussed at APMA, and COVID lockdown gave conviction to give concrete shape to Plastic World 2021 with focus to the plastic packaging industry. This event will allow the manufacturers of plastic packaging industry to showcase their capabilities and capacities, and to have a peak and connect to the manufacturing and user industry by use of the virtual expo platform. We are all well aware of the importance of plastic packaging industry in India. I strongly believe that Plastic World 2021 to be witnessed from 19 to 23rd January to 2021 and will help boost the growth of the packaging industry by providing global exposure to the Indian manufacturers and greatly promote exports from Indian market by reaching a wider audience digitally. The format of this exhibition has been shaped to allow and provide the companies with opportunities to launch new products in India, explore new markets and promote their products, help industries in the plastic section to interact with key decision makers to build customer relationships towards potential market penetration, etc. We have also planned seminar sessions on all days to come in manner that it befit the industry in the maximum amount possible. The session would help the visitors obtain insights and knowledge about the advancements not only on the packaging front but various other sections of the industry which will help up with the rapidly changing scenario. It is an opportunity where the business owners can expand their business leads and expand their clientele in different parts of India and abroad. It is the best way to meet the people in your business and network with the other plastic manufacturers too. This could be an ideal and credible platform for the plastic packaging sector. The first Plastic World 2021 exhibition is a modest start with the registration of visitors from 73 countries and over 14,000 buyers to participate in this virtual event to meet 103 exhibitors and discuss and strike long-term contracts. The key segments and areas to be discussed and elaborated during the events are consumer packaging, containers, caps and closures, industrial packaging, and films. We are very delighted to have you all with us. On this occasion, we have compiled our e-directory of the exhibition participating in this Plastic World 2021 exhibition. We take this opportunity to unveil our first edition of Plastic World 2021 virtual exhibition directory. Deepak, if we are able to get it unveiled.
Yeah. Shiraz, can you please share the screen for the Plastic World directory?
Sure, sir.
This is the front page of our directory, and it will be, I think we can go through 5-6 pages so that people are able to experience what are the
Go to the exhibitors page. Go to the exhibitors list. Okay. So thank you, Shri Ajay Desai.
One second, Deepak.
Yeah.
Thank you, everyone. My good wishes for the success of this exhibition. Thank you.
Thank you, Chairman Plastic World 21, for giving a complete 360-degree glimpse of the virtual exhibition. You have beautifully explained how the exhibition has been set up and the kind of sections and segments we have and the overwhelming response which we have received from customers and buyers from India and across the globe. So thank you, Shri Ajay Desai, for your address. May I now welcome our very senior member of the industry, Dr. Raju Desai. Dr. Raju Desai is the Managing Director of Jyoti Plastics. He is also the past President of IPMA and Chairman of National Advisory Board, Plastic Vision 2023. A very senior member. Basically, we look forward for his guidance and for his strategy for the growth of the industry. May I now request Dr. Desai to give his address with respect to the industry insight and also the potential the industry has. Dr. Desai, please.
Thank you, Deepak ji, and very good morning to dignitaries, Shri Kasinath ji from DCPC, Mr. Wadhwan, President, Shri President of All India Plastics, Bhurabai, Chairman Arvind Bhai, Chairman of Plastic World, Ajay Bhai, office bearers of APMA and my colleagues, President of Fellow Plastic Associations, dignitary of plastic industries and friends. I think it is my pleasure to talk to you all in this scenario where APMA has been able to put up a successful virtual show in the interest of industry and in interest of the end user. So my compliments to Ajay Bhai for that. I think with the end of pandemic in sight, things have become normal as faster than our anticipation. As per our Prime Minister Shri Modi Sahib, India is recovering faster than anticipated. We are on a fast track. And in pandemic, plastic has emerged as silent warrior. Plastic, in fact, the plastic has become savior. Impact of pandemic could have been multifold without plastic packaging. One can think about starting from mass to lastly delivering of vaccine in insulated packaging. This would not have been possible without plastic. Indian packaging industry, I guess, is a part of global packaging industry, which is estimated at $242 billion US, whose revenue forecast is estimated $320 billion US, which is growing at about 4% CAGR. In 2020, packaging industry contributed 50% of our export of finished plastic product. Out of our total export, about 122 billion, more than 50% was of plastic packaging. Not only that, but our plastic industry is going beyond boundary of India and have set up plant overseas and got lion share in those countries because of their and quality is commendable and remarkable. The plastic industry offer excellent potential in terms of plastic packaging industry rather is offering excellent potential in terms of capacity, infrastructure, and skilled manpower. Now, plastic industry, packaging industry is supported by backend, which includes polymer producers, plastic processors, machinery, mold manufacturers, and auxiliary manufacturers. We must take a note of the fact that plastic sector is the 5th largest sector in India economy, and it is one of the highest growth sector in the country. The sector is rising at 22% to 25% per annum. And it is also a fact that they are the highest consumer of polymer in the country, sector-wise. Plastic industry, packaging industry is emerging and getting solidified because of many new opportunity, which includes packaging in pharma, which includes e-commerce, and they are also part of the backbone of e-commerce. And without plastic packaging, many things would not have been possible. and it also gives immense opportunity to develop recycle packaging for e-commerce. There are many such development and innovation in the world which can replace conventional material, and the plastic packaging can be deployed and they can be reused. Plastic consumption in India was in 2019, it was around 18 million ton, above 18 million ton. And again, as I said, the consumption of packaging industry is largest, I think more than 60% in this thing. And having said that, this sectors offers immense opportunity. The local players are expanding their capacity. They are gearing up for global demand, and packaging specialists who are in India, can offer the scale and quality. I know some of them personally who are pitching for the global market. In Indian scenario, Indian manufacturer will gear up for expansion. At the same time, I am seeing a lot of foreign investment possibility, joint venture and merger possibility in Indian packaging processing industry. And this is a excellent era. It's a sunshine days are coming for plastic packaging industry. And my compliments to Plastic World team along with EPMA team for putting up such a beautiful show where 73 countries with 130 participations and 13,000 visitors. I think it is a very great thing to happen in this time. So thank you very much for your patience hearing. Thank you all.
Thank you, Dr. Desai, for beautifully explaining the potential the plastic packaging industry has and how this industry has played its very crucial role during the times of COVID, and also its future prospects. I'm sure a lot of entrepreneurs today who are listening to the inaugural session would take a lot of clue from your speech and perhaps would plan their capacities and also the technologies to meet the global demand. And India, as you said, is playing a very crucial role as far as the plastic packaging production is concerned. So thank you, Raju Bhai, for your excellent address. May I now introduce to our audience our guest of honor of the day, Shri Kashinath Ji. Kashinath Jha Ji is the Joint Secretary of Department of Chemical and Petrochemical, Ministry of Chemicals and Fertilizers. We all know that he is very, very supportive to the industry, and his support and guidance is highly appreciated by the entire plastic industry, in spite of being a highly busy man and a very senior bureaucrat. His doors for the industry are always open, and we are really grateful to him for having supported the industry in even those challenging times when the industry was initially struggling with COVID. So I really thank Kashinath Jha Ji for accepting our invitation to be here as the guest of honor. May I now request you, sir, to deliver your address. Yes.
Good morning to all of you. Namaskar. Sri Ajay Desai ji, Chairman Plastic World, ECMA. Arvind Mehta ji, Chairman Governing Council, ECMA. Chandrasekhar Turakhia, President, ECMA. DG ECMA Sri Deepak Ballani, Raju Desai ji, and all the dignitaries. Sorry, it's not possible for me to name all, but please feel that I have named all of you. So very good morning to all of you. First of all, I would like to congratulate ECMA for organizing this global virtual plastic packaging show. which is of its kind, very, very relevant to the, say, in today's era. You see, packaging is a industry or a thing which is connecting almost all the sector, be it pharma, be it textile, you name any sector, everywhere packaging is there. And just a second. Yeah, sorry. So, what I was telling, this packaging industry is very, very relevant for all the industry. It adds value to the product. You see, if you just imagine if you are going to a, say, shop to buy a t-shirt, you won't accept unless it is properly packed. The question arises, why packaging? Why packaging? There are many factors which motivate us that things should be packaged, which give us idea that it should be properly packaged. The most important thing when we think about the foods, especially the ready-made foods, the packaging ensures hygiene. And not only hygiene, the durability of the product is also ensured by proper packaging. It protects also. Suppose something is made of a glass. So if it is not properly packaged, it may break. So for the safety of the product also, packaging is very, very important. Safety and protection, as well as its durability. Suppose we wanted to transport, when we, being a government servant, we frequently transferred from one place to other place. So when we get transferred, we used to get all our household packed properly so that it should reach to the next destination safely without any much damage. Where this packaging and packaging material counts, especially the plastic material. When we think about the packaging, plastic is probably one of the best material to pack, because it comes in different shapes. It can change its nature. Some bubble type packaging is there, which gives support and protection against any damage. So plastic, being a wonderful material, is very, very useful for packaging. Now I would also like to talk about power of packaging. You see, India is a developing nation, but still in this country, the potato of say 60 rupees with all added value can be sold at the rate of 600 rupees per kg. That is the power of packaging. I don't name any brand, but you see the chips and kurkure type of thing, they pack in such a beautiful manner that a value of rupees 1 get converted into rupees 20 or 50. So that is the power of packaging. So I must congratulate IPMA for selecting this very, very relevant topic for this, virtual show of this 5 days event, where more than 100 companies are participating, and I have been told that about 70 plus countries, people from more than 70 countries are visiting, and even more than 10,000 buyers and sellers will meet on this virtual platform. I would also like to mention that post-COVID scenario, this packaging has become more and more relevant, because we want things to be touched less, and that is possible only when it is properly packed, so that if I have any doubt, I can sanitize it without damaging the product, open it and use it. So during COVID and post-COVID, plastic packaging is going to be a very, very relevant thing, which we are already seeing wherever we go. Now the things which were usually being given in usual manner, now it is properly packed in plastic and duly sanitized. Sanitizing is very easy if the things are packed in plastic. This show also gives an opportunity to learn what are the new techniques are emerging in packaging industry. Buyers and sellers will meet, and I'm sure a lot of business will take place. So I request the Indian industry to go global, use this platform and venture for the global market. I have been told that, and it is true also, packaging industry is going to be one of the fastest growing industry in the country. The CAGR of more than 25% itself gives us an idea. There is a tremendous scope in packaging industry. So this Global Plastic Packaging Expo, I'm sure that it's going to be a big, big success. And I will also request IPMA, especially DG IPMA, to submit a small brief report once this event is over. So what have been the achievement of this event in nutshell, so that I can apprise Honorable Minister about this event, who is by chance because he is not available today. I have a concern also, being a Department of Chemical and Petrochemical. I have a concern also with reference to this packaging industry. You see, we all are for the packaging industry, but we should also think about the packaging industry, plastic packaging industry especially, which are using single-use plastic. So I request all of you that the EPR, Extended Producer's Responsibility, should be fulfilled in this particular area where we are producing the packaging material. We have to prevent its littering and proper collection in the system, so that it should be recycled as far as possible. That is the responsibility of the industry, which they should shoulder. And at the last, I would like to congratulate for coming up with a directory which must be very, very informative, and the industry will be benefited by this telephone directory, where they will be able to search the products, do the business, and plan their business future business. That will be very useful for them. So with these words, I would like to thank all the organizers and participants. My best wishes to all of you. Thank you so much. Jai Hind.
Thank you very much, Shri Kashinath Jhaji, for your address, and your understanding of the industry shows that the industry is in the right hands of the bureaucrats, of the people who are making the policies, which in a short and a longer term both affect the health of the industry. So I'm sure, taking into the account the issues of the industry, you will have more conducive policies, especially the one which you have just mentioned about EPR. In fact, APMA has submitted its inputs and its representation to Ministry of Environment, and we are waiting for the EPR notification. And we are hopeful and we are sure that the government will take the right decision so that the EPR notification, whatever is going to come, will be conducive for the health of the industry, especially the plastic processing industry and MSMEs in particular. On the single-use plastics, we have always raised our concern that it has to be, again, favorable for the industry. It should not really hamper the growth of the industry. And we have also emphasized, sir, that there has to be one nation and one rule. That is something which is very important. Having said that, I want to inform all our attendees that the department has been really very being supportive. In fact, under the guidance of JS, they are already working on the production linked incentive, which we are very hopeful that we will see maybe in this budget or very short, in a very short time, a PLI for the plastic industry. And also I want to highlight that the plastic park scheme has been tweaked in such a way that it has now become very conducive and very helpful for the industry. For example, the ministry has now decided that all the plastic park will perhaps offer the land at a very highly competitive price and also on the long-term lease to the industry. So that is something which is very good for the industry, because the capital expenses on the land and the building will perhaps substantially go down, and the speed to which they start producing will go up. So thank you, sir, for your address and also your insight of the industry. Thank you again on behalf of IPMA and the entire industry members. Perhaps we would, Mr. Rohit Vandana, he is basically the first Secretary, Economic Press and Info of High Commission of India in UK. In fact, he had told me that he will attend, but last night he said that, Deepak, I didn't realize that when you will have this program, it will be around 5 o'clock in the morning in London. So perhaps he decided to give us a message, a video message. I would request our backend team to play his video message, please.
Namaskar. Thank you.
Siraj, there is no volume.
First of all, on behalf of High Commission of India, I congratulate All India Plastic Manufacturers Association for organizing.
Are you able to hear?
Where I am given to understand that more than 110 Indian companies will exhibit their products. There will be more than 12,000 buyers from 68 countries who have already registered. This is such a huge scale, and it is the benefit of this technology that you have used. I am sure it will provide a lot of opportunity to our buyers, sellers, manufacturers, and all the companies who want to expand their trade internationally. When I speak of India and UK, we have a strategic partnership. Our bilateral trade during 2019 was more than 24 billion pounds. That includes trade in goods and services. If I speak specifically of our bilateral trade in plastic sector, India's export to UK was more than $200 million, and our import was around $120 million. this $320 plus million of bilateral trade in this particular sector is very important. We have to find out where the potential lies, where we can collaborate, where we can strengthen our partnership. UK has good technology, India has good capacity. Our wide market, state-of-the-art technology in India, and good raw material makes us much stronger partner even for UK. And we must take advantage to explore the potential of these two countries in this particular sector. I am sure this Plasti World 2021 will provide this opportunity. All businesses who will be participating here will have the opportunity to interact with their counterparts, not only in UK, but from all over the world. They will find new buyers, they will find new collaborations, new technology, and many other prospects for expanding their business. I must again congratulate you all for organizing this successful event in such a huge and mega scale. And I place it on record that High Commission of India, London will always be here to support and promote any of the future events that All India Plastic Manufacturers Association will organize, and we will facilitate all the collaborations with full heart. Thank you.
So I would like to thank Shri Rohit Vandana virtually and place on record our sincere thanks to High Commission of India in UK for their excellent support. In fact, we had written to almost all High Commissions of UK, USA, Germany, in various European countries and African countries, and perhaps it is a matter of pride that the High Commissioners and the ambassadors in these High Commissions and embassies have been very, very supportive. And in fact, they had sent us the list of importers of plastic packaging material. They also circulated information about this exhibition to all their databases. So we would, from IPMA, would like to place on record our sincere thanks to all our High Commissioner and ambassadors in various embassies of India for helping us in getting the importers, because that is where our global market share is likely to increase. So thank you again, everyone. Mansukh Bhai, our Union Minister of State for Chemical and Fertilizer, had consented to come, but due to some last-minute exigencies, he this morning his office said that he had to rush to Surat because of some issues. But however, he has sent his blessings and his best wishes, and he has also asked us to send the report as to how this exhibition has been able to transform the business and what is the likely business which will increase. So we are certain that the success of this show will be sent to him, and we will meet him and personally explain him and also seek his support in future. So may I now request our Senior Vice President, IPMA, Shri Kishore Sampath Ji, for delivering vote of thanks.
Thank you, Deepak Balani ji. Am I audible?
Yes.
Yeah. Good morning to all. It is my privilege to propose the vote of thanks and acknowledge the support and contribution of all those who have worked to make this event a success. On behalf of IPMA, we thank Shri Kashinath Ji, Joint Secretary, DCPC, whose presence in today's program. In spite of his extremely busy schedule, his attendance is a reflection of the importance and support he extends to our plastic industry. We are all very thankful to you, sir, for your continued support and able guidance. Our heartfelt thanks to Shri Rohit Wadhwana ji, First Secretary, Economy, Press, Information, High Commission of India in UK, for the enlightening address today Your words have enhanced the stature of this function. I would like to express my sincere thanks towards our event sponsors, DP World, Platinum sponsor, Ruchi Pack Industries Private Limited, our gold sponsors, the Shakti Plastic Industry, Electronics Devices Worldwide Private Limited, and Blend Colors Private Limited for their support. This association would go a long way to benefit all. We are also really grateful to various associations who have been our supporting partners for this event. We recognize the presence of their leaders, presidents, and office bearers in this event. I thank Plast India Foundation, Indian Institute of Packaging, Organization of Plastic Processors of India, Flex Council, Gujarat State Plastic Manufacturers Association, Indian Plastics Federation, Maharashtra Plastics Manufacturers Association, Karnataka State Plastics Association, Kerala Plastics Manufacturers Association, Canara Plastic Association, Telangana and Andhra Pradesh Plastic Manufacturers Association, CIPET, Indian Plastics Institute, Vidarbha Plastic Industries Association, All India Flat Tape Manufacturers Association, North Odisha Chamber of Commerce and Industry, Indian Plastic Forum, the All India Flexible Association. Our close relationship and unity between us and working towards the same motive for the growth of plastic industry will make us succeed. I am sure the contribution of the Plastiworld team under the leadership of Sri Ajay Bhai Desai and the co-chairman Sri Sunil Shah ji, Sri Haren Sanghvi ji, Sri Harshad Bhai Desai will definitely benefit the industry. At the end, I would like to express my gratitude and thank to each one present here who have played a significant role in making this event a great success in all respects. And before I end, I would like to say that APMA appreciates the efforts of the Secretariat under Sri Deepak Balani ji, Director General, and all the staff members who have put in a lot of efforts to bring us all together. Thank you all, everybody. Thanks a lot. With this, we come to an end of the inauguration ceremony. Thanks a lot, sir.
Jay sir, thank you very much, sir, for sparing your time. Very nice of you. Thank you, everyone. Again, thanks. And we look forward for a very enlightening Plastiworld 2021. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you, everybody. Thank you, everybody.
Thank you, sir. Congratulations to everybody.
Yeah, congrats.
Good luck, Ajay bhai. Thank you. Good day, everybody.
Good day.
Thank you.